Okay, I made this video after I made the one on refraction and Snell's law. I realized I didn't really explain exactly how or why refraction occurs. And so I'm going to show you real quick what goes on. Now, refraction is the bending of light as it goes from one medium into another. For example, going from air into water or air into glass. And it always has to occur at an angle. So if we look at this drawing here, what I want you to notice is this line. And so if we have a substance come in like this, it'll hit at an angle and then it will bend as it goes there. Now the question is why? Well, here is why that occurs. I like to think of it as a skateboard. And so my two fingers are representing the wheels of a skateboard, and I'm going from the concrete into grass. And so as my fingers go here, my index finger enters the grass and slows down. Okay, as it slows down, my middle finger is still going the normal speed, and so it's going to bend and go then at a different angle. Okay, and then the opposite would occur if we were going from something where it goes slower into something going faster. So here I come from the glass or the water into air, and you notice my index finger exits first, and so it's going to speed up because light travels faster in air than it does in glass, and so then it's going to cause it to curve or bend away from the normal on there. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. If you think of it as the skateboard once again, if we're going straight from the concrete onto grass, it would just continue to go straight because both wheels would hit the grass at the exact same time and they would both slow down at the exact same time. Alright, more about refraction later.